In this video, I'm going to show you how to brighten eyes in Photoshop using a clean, non-destructive method that gives you precise control and natural-looking results. This is the same technique you can use to make eyes pop without ruining the rest of the image, and it works especially well for portraits where you want to keep the edit subtle and realistic. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. The best way to brighten eyes in Photoshop is by using an adjustment layer because it lets you edit the effect later if you need to tone it down or refine it. Start by going to the bottom of your layers panel and clicking the new adjustment layer icon, which looks like a half black, half white circle. From the menu, choose curves. This will create a curves adjustment layer above your image. As soon as the curves panel appears, you'll see a diagonal line across the graph. Click right in the middle of that line and drag it upward. This brightens the entire image, and for now, that's completely fine. Don't worry if the photo looks too bright or even a little washed out, because we're not leaving the adjustment on the whole image. We're going to hide it everywhere first, then paint it back only where we want it. To do that, click the white layer mask box next to your curves adjustment layer. Then press Ctrl+I on Windows or Command+I on Mac to invert the mask to black. Once you do that, the brightness effect disappears and your image should return to its normal look. That's because the black mask is hiding the curves adjustment from the entire photo. Now comes the part where we brighten the eyes selectively. Select the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Make sure your foreground color is set to white, because white on a mask reveals the adjustment. Then go up to the top options bar and lower the brush opacity to around 20 to 30%. That lower opacity is important because it gives you better control and helps the eyes look natural instead of overdone. Zoom in on the face so you can work more precisely. Then gently paint over the iris, which is the colored part of the eye. You want to avoid brushing over the pupil, the eyelids, or the surrounding skin. Use small, careful strokes and build up the brightness gradually. If you need a little more effect, simply brush over the area again. If it starts looking too strong, switch your brush color to black and paint back some of the adjustment or lower the layer opacity later. This is the beauty of using a mask and adjustment layer. You're not permanently changing the photo, and you can always go back and refine the result. If the brightness feels too intense, click on the curves layer and reduce the opacity slider to around 60 to 70%. That usually helps the effect blend more naturally into the portrait. Another great tip is to change the blending mode of the curves layer. If you notice the iris colors shifting too much or looking oversaturated, try setting the blend mode from normal to screen or luminosity. This can help preserve the original color while still brightening the eyes. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how realistic the final edit looks. As you work, keep checking the image at a normal viewing size, not just zoomed in. That way, you can make sure the eyes look enhanced without looking artificial. The goal is to make the subject's eyes stand out in a natural way, not to create an obvious Photoshop effect, and that's really all there is to it. Using a curves adjustment layer, a black mask, and a soft white brush gives you a fast and flexible way to brighten eyes in Photoshop while keeping full control over the result. It's simple, powerful, and perfect for portrait retouching. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.